doing fine. Okay, I am Sister Renita Claudiette. I will be taking English to 6th standard this year. So, in the prose, the first lesson is the lighthouse. The lighthouse. Lighthouse. Do you know what is lighthouse? Okay, if you do not know, we will see what is the lighthouse just as we read the lesson. If you have got a textbook, you can follow as I read. If not, just listen to me. Rajiv and his father, mother were very happy that day. Rajiv was especially thrilled because his father would take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Now, Rajiv and his father name is Madhav, both of them thought of going out. So, Rajiv is very happy. Why? Because his father said he would take him to see the lighthouse. What is the meaning of thrilled? Thrilled means excited or being very happy. Okay, excited. Excited. Now, being very happy. Now, for example, suddenly your father comes home in the evening and gives you a chocolate or some sweets, what you like. So you will be very happy, no, thrilled or very excited to receive that. So that is called excited or thrilled. So here Rajiv was thrilled because his father said he would take him to see the lighthouse. I hope many of you are not seeing what is lighthouse. So here is a lighthouse you can see. So we will see little more further what it really is and why they have built this, all those things. Okay, follow the textbook. They started out in the evening by 5 p.m. So they started to go to see lighthouse around 5 o'clock in the evening and reached the shore by 6 p.m. So 1 hour they took to reach the seashore. Madhav pointed out to the lighthouse in the distance. It was a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful lights at the top. Just now you saw in the video how tall the building is. So, lighthouse means a tall, very strong building which has got the shape of the tower. Okay, and then there are many lights, very powerful lights in that. So that is called lighthouse. So you can be asked a question here, what is a lighthouse? You can answer, say, a lighthouse is a tall, strong building in the shape of the tower with powerful lights at the top. Why the lights are there on the top? We will see later. Okay, follow the next one. Rajiv asked his father, Papa, what is the use of these lights, lighthouse? Mother said, they help the sailors to know where the land is and what place they are near. Sometimes they are on the seashore and sometimes in the sea. They are in places which are dangerous to ships and they help to warn and guide the sailors. So here Rajiv is asking his father, Father or Papa, what is the use of these lights? Why have they kept the lights there? And father is telling Rajiv, the use of lighthouse to the sailors. What is the meaning of sailors? Who are sailors? Sailor or sailors. The persons who are traveling in the water. Okay, those who are traveling in the water, we call them as the sailors. So, father is explaining to Rajiv, the sailors are guided by the lighthouse. This lighthouse is very helpful to the sailors because these lighthouses are built sometime in the sea or sometime on the land near the seashore. So these lighthouses are built in the water or in the sea, or it is outside the sea on the land. Father is explaining to Rajiv, saying how the lighthouse is helpful to the sailors. Now you know the meaning of sailors. So they help the sailors to know where the land is. Now when we are traveling in the sea, we cannot make out which is south or which is north very easily. Okay, sometimes we do not know where we have to reach, where there is a land or where, because everywhere you turn to your left, you see water. You turn ahead, front, you see water. You look behind, there is water. Everywhere water. So we cannot make out where we have to reach, where is the land. So, in order to help the sailors to know where the land is, where they have to reach, in those places they build this lighthouse. Because looking at that light on the top, they can make out, oh, we have to go to this direction. That's why these lighthouses, sometimes they are built on the sea shore, sometimes inside the sea. You saw in the video, some lighthouses are in between the sea, that is giving the direction that the sailors can go through that side. Okay, so these lighthouses are helping the sailors to know where the land is. Okay, we follow. Where these lighthouses are built, sometimes they are in a place where there is lot of dangers to the ships. Because we know in the sea there can be a heap of icebergs, or some danger places are there. So these ships, without knowing, they can go and dash. So in order to avoid the dangers, the lighthouses are built so that people can look at that and walk safely. So that's why they are built. Rajiv was curious. What is the meaning of curious? Very eager to know. Curious. Okay. Curiosity we say, no? When you want to know something more about. So here Rajiv was curious about something more to know about the lighthouse. He said, but how do they work? How do these lighthouses are working? Because they are inside the sea or outside the sea near to the land. So how are they working? Madhav replied, modern lighthouses are powerful electric lights. Nowadays, we have a very powerful electronic lights. So these lighthouses are working with these electronic lights. Rajiv asked, what about those days when there was no electricity? Rajiv is very clever, like some of you, no? I want to know something about lighthouse more. So that's why he's asking his father. Nowadays is okay. There is electricity. That's why they are nice or very powerful lights. But what about those days when there was no electricity? So what is father's answer? Father laughed. You are a clever boy, my son. What is the meaning of clever? Wise, intelligent. Okay, wise or intelligent. So father said, you are a very clever boy. In olden days, wood fires would be lit in high places on the shore. Later, a large number of candles were used with glass around them to keep out the wind. Okay, father is explaining how in olden days people used to keep this firewood people, those who are sailing, the sailors can look at that fire and understand that direction. If we go, we can find the land. So earlier they used to do that. Along with that, sometime in some places they used to light many candles, very big candles, and for the wind the candles will go off. So that's why, to protect from the wind, they used to put a glass house around. They used to, now for example, here candles are burning. So like these candles are burning, and around this they used to build a glass house so that the light may not blow off. So that is how they used to do earlier. You know, Rajiv, in those days before lighthouses were built, sailors would go lost in the sea, had no way of getting back to land. Madhav is explaining to Rajiv, before finding out this lighthouse, how was the situation? How could these sailors reach their land safely? He says, before these lighthouses would come, many people used to miss the way to come to their land. The direction was not known properly. People, many died by dashing to the ship dashing to the rocks, or maybe to the iceberg, or something like that. You remember the Titanic ship, how it destroyed. Okay, you might have seen in the movies or in the pictures. Without knowing, the ship has dashed to the iceberg. So sometimes in the water also there may be some rocks, so big rocks, huge rocks. So they used to hit them without knowing. So many people died because they did not get the proper direction. But now, because of the lighthouse, people are able to reach safely to their places. Okay. Rajiv asked, Rajiv is still more curious. He asked, Papa, what was the first? Papa, when was the first lighthouse built? I don't know, my son, Madhav replied. Rajiv is curious to know when was the first lighthouse was built. The father says, I do not know properly, my son. But I believe that in the olden days, many fishermen were lost in the sea and were unable to return home. The people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. He says, I do not know when was the first lighthouse was built, but what I know is, he says, those days the fishermen, people used to go to fish in the sea. Even today people go, no? That is one of the occupation of the people. They go for fishing. So many fishermen used to go for fishing, and while returning back, they used to miss the road or miss the route. So they lost their life. So people at home, they used to be worried. Okay? But they are helpless. They cannot help these people, the fishermen. So they were helpless. So what did they do? Those who were at home. Then a group of clever young men hit upon this idea. That means the people who were at home, the young boys, the young people, they got an idea. They got an idea to help these fishermen to reach home or reach the land safely. So what was the idea? They collected a few huge logs and lots of dry branches and set fire on them. They were laughed at by elders, but they continued to keep the fire burning. In the early hours of next morning, the fishermen sailed home. They said that they had been guided from the land and saved only because of the light of this fire, which they had seen from a distance. So, these young people got an idea. What did they do? They went and collected big, huge. Huge means big. Huge, big So here people used to keep these big logs, huge logs, and then also dry branches, and they used to put fire so that the sailors can see the light and then they can sail towards the seashore. So that was what they did, these young men. But elders, the elderly people or some others laughed at them. What are you doing? You young boys, you do not know. Will this work? They laughed at them. But these people did not discourage. They kept the fire burning, and next day morning these sailors or these fishermen reached the seashore safely. And they said, what did they say? They said, this fire which was burning helped us to reach the seashore safely. The light or the fire is the one which made us to reach, that gave us the direction, and everybody felt very happy. That means this lighthouse, in those days it was a fire or it can be a candle, but today it is a lighthouse which is giving a direction to the sailors or even to the fishermen to reach the land safely. So, what was the response of Rajiv? You see now. Rajiv exclaimed very happily, he said loudly, how clever the humans. So, Rajiv is telling how intelligent the human beings are. You see, never thought of. Now, because in this lighthouse, many people are safe. Otherwise, many would have died, like earlier in those days, olden days. But today, they are reaching the seashore safely because of the lighthouse, because of the direction they get from the lighthouse. So that's why he says, human beings are very clever, very wise. Yes, now shall we go home after you have your favorite ice cream? Rajesh said, oh yes Papa, thank you. So father is telling Rajiv, oh now you have enjoyed seeing the lighthouse, you came to know how it is built and what are the uses of lighthouse. Now you are happy. Yes, now you are happy. It's okay. Now I will make you to eat ice cream. After eating your favorite ice cream, we can go home. And Raju also very happy, and he says thanks to his father, and they go happily. I hope you understood the lesson which speaks about the lighthouse. So the lighthouse is a big tall tower which has got very powerful lights in it. It is built on the seashore or in the sea sometime, and they are giving direction to the sailors. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have got a text,